So now I am going to cover the one more confusing activity, and that is also which is available in the control flow. Okay, that is called repeat. Okay, repeat number of times. Okay, and drag and drop repeat number of times, and here you see. And if you provide the number of times execution, so how many times to repeat the activity? If I give 10 here, and so it will, this particular this block will be executed 10 times. Okay, so let me add a right line activity. Okay, so drag and drop right line activity, and let's say I added executed. Okay, and if I click step into and it's executing this the activity, and again it's executing the activity. So likewise it's executing the same activity 10 times. Okay, so now you have the questions like, so what is the difference between while, do while, this repeat number of times? Can I use do while, can I use this repeat number of times instead of do while and while? No. So it's everything based on your process state. So let's say in a browser, so there is a button called sign in securely. Okay, or else let's assume that there is a button called refresh on your web page, and the below refresh button there will be a Excel file. It should be appear to download it. Okay, and if I click a first refresh, maybe it will take some time to appear that Excel download button to download the file. Okay, in that case, so as you know, using do while and go to project panel, so open do while and while statement, the while activity, and here in the both activity we are checking the conditions. Okay, we are checking the condition, then we are executing it. And in this example, so you have a refresh button. Let's say that particular download option available sometimes clicking on 5 times on the refresh button, sometimes 10 times, sometimes 20 times, or sometimes very quickly in the first refresh also you may get the download option. Okay, in that case definitely you need to use while, because you can use also do while also, because you can first time you can refresh the button, then you can check whether that particular download option available or not. If it is not, you do it until you get the download button. Okay, so that is the difference between this do while and this repeat number of times. Let's say there is a place only I need to repeat 10 times. It's always constant. I need to do it 10 times only. That particular scenario you can use this repeat number of times. Okay, that's all about repeat number of times. Just drag.